How you doing? Bryan from Honeywell Homes. I'm here with my colleague Chris Parks, and today we're here to talk to you about a hydronic thermostat.
Bryan, absolutely. We've been doing thermostats here at Honeywell Homes for years and years and years. We have come up with a heat-only hydronic thermostat that's designed with a slab sensor. So a couple things we did about a year ago is we developed a new version of a thermostat called the T series. This is replacing a lot of our old Focus Pro thermostats that have been a staple for the last 10-15 years. So what we've done is we've created a universal wall plate that can be used across all of the T series. We have everything from a simple heat only all the way up to a digital display high definition Wi-Fi screen. So what this does is you wire up with a simplistic, what we call UWP or universal wall plate. You can hook everything up. And if you want to start with a basic heat only thermostat, you can put it in and then upgrade across the ranks without ever having to change this. This literally just pops on and is interchangeable with our whole line. So we added a hydronic thermostat into that mix. We've created a heat-only thermostat that incorporates a slab sensor. When you buy the T6 Hydronic, it actually ships with this 10K slab sensor. And what you do is you bury this in the slab, and you have the ability to run this thermostat one of 3 different ways. So you can operate this off of air ambient temperature only. You can have it operate off of ambient temperature with floor limits. So if the slab gets too hot, let's say they've got some expensive high-end wood, say Brazilian cherry in there, you never want it to get above 72 degrees, you've got the ability to do a manual cutoff based on that slab temp. Or if it gets too cold, it acts as a redundant safety. So if that slab drops below a certain temperature, it'll go ahead and kick on. Because we've all seen thermostats that have been placed in the wrong location right next to windows or whatnot. Or the other thing that you can do is you can run this off of slab temperature only. So let's say they've got a real high-end custom bathroom and they want to run warm floors all the time and keep that slab at about 74, 75 degrees. They can do that with this also. So it's all in the programming with a simple slab installation, and this basically rounds out the T-Series lineup.
So it's got freeze protection.
It does. It's got freeze protection built in. So you can run it either off of a limiting device off of the temperature if they had it on the wall, or you can run it off the slab temperature as well. So you'll never want to make sure you freeze those tubes up. I've been on those houses, it turns into a nightmare.
The fact that it's battery operated and powered, you have the ability to do both. I really like it, Chris.
It's a great thermostat.
Thanks. If you want more information about this thermostat and any other products, you can go to www.jacksonsystems.com.